Okay, guys, this is awesome. This is way bigger than what I thought it would be. I got it to hold my Cricut and my press and my vinyls on the bottom. It is so cute. I don't even think it's made for this, but this is what I got it for. And the little hooks on the side, you can actually hang your little Cricut tools. So I would definitely buy this again, and it's so sturdy, and I love it.
Unless you're meant to use this with no safety railing to hold things in, it's put together upside down. This is the second one I've ordered, and it is the second one that has this problem. It causes this ring to not be able to seat down. If you were to try to put it and push it up, then the drawer just falls down. So someone needs to figure this out.